OSHA regulations? Many employees don't know what OSHA is, let alone that they have rules. Hello, I'm Dan Clark of The Safety Brief. This is where we talk about health and safety hazards in today's demanding industrial and construction work sites. Some workers just don't have a good understanding of OSHA regulations. That's understandable if they're new on a job or to an industry. An OSHA 10 training course can help explain the standards so employees better understand workplace safety. What is OSHA 10? The Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, offers 10-hour training classes for employees that cover important safety regulations and how they apply to the workplace. There are 4 class options: general industry, construction, marine, and disaster site. Workers get information tailored to their industries. During the class, the instructor covers mandatory safety topics for all industries and electives specific to a job site. Parts of the class may be hands-on. The instructor may take workers out into the field to look for certain safety issues. People who take the course get a certificate at the end. Employers may want to make OSHA 10 part of an employee orientation program. OSHA 10 uses certified OSHA trainers who come to the workplace, but a business can have one of its employees get certified to teach the course. Employees also have an option of completing the course online. And here's something important: OSHA 10 training is not a substitute for any other safety training. Employees still need the safety training specific to their work site. Workers, if you think this type of training would be good for your position, talk to your bosses. A company's safety practices and safety culture will improve when everyone understands safety requirements. That's all for this episode on OSHA 10 training. Come back for more tips and techniques on how to stay safety compliant in today's ever-changing landscape of safety requirements. I'm Dan Clark of The Safety Brief, sponsored by Creative Safety Supply. See the website at creativesafetysupply.com.